Welcome back to our video production series. Today, we're going to learn how to adjust video speed using FlexClip. Firstly, add a video clip to the timeline and find the speed button on the toolbar. Choose the normal speed option. You can drag the slider to adjust the speed of the whole video at once. Choose the curve speed option. You can edit the video speed more flexibly. Working with pre-made popular samples can save time and efforts. It's easy to customize the curve speed as well. Add a speed point. Dragging it left or right can locate the video easily. Dragging the speed point up will speed up the video, and dragging down will slow it down. Finally, click on the play button to preview the adjustments. That's all for today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more video production tips in our series.